What is an API? Today, let's learn it in simple words. Imagine you are at a restaurant. You sit down and look at the menu. When you are ready, you tell the waiter what you want. The waiter takes your order to the kitchen. The chef prepares the food. Then the waiter brings it back to you. Now, think about this carefully. You never walked into the kitchen yourself. You don't touch the stove. You don't cook the food. The waiter handles the communication between you and the kitchen. That waiter is the perfect example of an API. Now, let's connect this to real technology. In the digital technology world, your app is the customer. The server is the kitchen where all the data lives. And the API is the waiter between them. For example, imagine you open a weather app. The app asks the API, "Hey, what's the weather in New York?" The API carries that request to the weather server. The server finds the information. Then the API brings the answer back to the app. And suddenly you see 20 degrees and rainy. That's an API working behind the scenes. APIs are everywhere. When you log into a website using Google, that uses an API. When a payment app talks to a bank, that uses an API. When YouTube loads videos onto your screen, APIs helps make that happen too. So, in simple words, an API is a messenger that helps different apps and systems communicate with each other. Just like a waiter connects customers to the kitchen, APIs connect softwares to servers and services. Without APIs, modern apps would feel isolated and disconnected. If you want more tech ideas explained this simply, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.